Dalchon?
Wire na yun.
Botikin mo balot ang
Balot yan.
Ano pa rin yung
Oo, nandun. It's not all.
saan makita ko yun.
Lid.
All the screw bucket. Oh, that's too hard. That's too hard. That's too hard. By hand.
Sabi mo kayo dito? Yeah.
Impossible.
Ha?
Kabahay mo, no?
Nasaan ba yung binigay ko sa yung lagayan ng...
Hindi ka tumatama eh. Hindi ka tumatama.
Nasa baba na. Boy!
Laptopin ba yan?
Too many chips.
Our folks says in Japan, when a lot of people lifting up something heavy, says, are you guys hard enough for it? Yes. Take out one guy. Say hard enough? Yes. Take out one guy.
Okay.
Meaning if you say yes, that means you will take out one guy. No.
This one?
Ito lang.
Dapat ko nakalagay.
Papalitan mo ito na kagaglag kasi pagkamaster. Yeah, okay.
1, 2, 3. The big guys.
Okay. I'll watch. And the little guys.
This is a job of
Opportunity. Pulling out. This one is not a good Samaritan.
Make sure nandyan ako sa video, Bing, ha? Para makita ako ng mga taga BE7.
No, this one here you read.
Oo, Aileen, hindi laruan yan, ha?
Okay,
Video lang, eh.
Oh.
Take. Ano?
Nasa height, GBE.
Camera!
Si Ellen.
Two clocks you read? This guy?
Okay, done. Okay, done. Blocking.
You need a rope.
Oh, there. Standing up. Oh,
Let's go this way.
No, even now it's good. You put a good
This
idea.
one?
You're specialized. Is that a reflector?
Yeah.
Put it here.
Now, way up to the sky. We're just gonna start.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Holy smoke, 1.1.
114, 200, 1.3.
That's good enough. As long as it's not 3, I'm okay with it.
Are we gonna...
Even it's 2.5, it's still okay.
Holy cow, 10 meter. Looks at 28.5. You read?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
It's okay. It's a good
15, right?
yesterday, I think.
21.
So we can enjoy the holy water.
Wala ka sa ayos.
21, 200.
How's that?
Almost, Yuri! You saw that? Almost!
Wait,
Take it easy, it's a pressure.
Hawak ni Boy eh. Hawakan ni Boy yung balon eh.
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
How's that?
21
Big.
Alis dyan.
Yeah.
1.5.
21.5.
People move with the day.
21.5.
Sinipay.
1.6.
Oh yeah, it's good enough.
50 ohms.
Yeah.
We're good.
To the center, right?
Yeah.
Ganun po ay.
Big one down.
Nadali mo yun eh.
Pwede put it up.
Una ko sa pana.
Down.
80.
Isang kahong beer lang, Jo.
Ha?
Isang kahong beer.
Sa coffee lang yan. Ito napamahal ka pa.
So good enough. So that means
Don't work, help.
a lot.
Okay. Good to go.
The next one is mine. The one in the garage.
Back it up.
So just to make sure, mark it.
Left and right.
Before we have 1, 2, 3 then. 1, 2, 3.
Tapos left. And
Yes,
left,
the
right.
problem here, Yuri. This one here, they don't have the hook anymore.
Ito, ang ina. Ito, sino?
No, that's one here.
Make a.
Just make one.
Ito, bende. Ito, bende.
Then that's the same, okay?
Ilang 12 minutes siya. 12.5.
Want to the island?
Ilang memory niya.
Or you can put the...
Yeah.
Yung nilagay ko rito 4 gig.
Yeah, just put an island. Perfect.
Kailangan niya ba yun? May occasion na tsaka.
Okay, boys!
Meron kong tripod ba eh? Dapat dinadala mo
Okay,
yan.
get out now.
Pahawak sa
We're
mga
going on
tao
now.
kagaya ni Edwin.
Yan, basta extra lang siya, 1.5.
Ano yung siya pa oh.
Tanggalin ko na.
Size.
Oh, get the pig and put it there. We'll roast it.
Yung market ulit.
Okay lang, markaan na.
Tanggalin mo na yung van sa likod. Patuloy mo.
Marking pen, please. Okay, mark it.
Para left and right.
Ulit! Si Marken nandyan.
3, 3, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kasi ang left and right naman parehas yun eh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, baba.
Sinitapos na nga. Okay.
Ito kailangan putulan naman.
Hindi ka na may clean yan.
Ito,
Huwag yun ang putulan, hindi na lang ang maikli.
yung kalahati lang yan.
Ay, yung katulad ng...
Tapos luwagan nyo. Ikot nyo to, oh. Nakatagilid.
Yung nga, tagilid niya. May pagkamarka. So fresh.
Kasi yung kumuha ng kalahati nito ba?
Oh, ba't nangyari dito? Ba't ganyan? What happened here?
Lagyan ng ano yan doon, tip. Para medyo maganda.
Oh, yun.
Di ba, no?
Kaya no?
Wala na yung aking ano eh. Oo, yun. Pwede. Merong string.
Meron ako ata sa bahay. It's right.
Maganda yun para hindi mapasukan ng tubig. No?
Yung may heat shrink.
Ito boy, gusto mong palitan din ito? Itong nasa ibaba? Na...
Puro na bagong linis.
Iputasin kasi dito yun. Ito.
Oh, yun. Yung dalawang na yan.
Yung coil na nagdadalag siya. Kasi kung wala yung coil, humahaba yung antena mo eh.
All the same
Oh, di ba?
At tightly yung coil eh.
Pare-parehas yan.
Oh, parehong ano yan.
Mag-left and right, parehas yan.
Pare. Number 3.
Hindi mo. Tama naman yung sukat doon, ano?
Ay!
Oh!
Falsifikado mo mga...
Falsifikado puta.
Ding, oh, lagkit, oh. Lagkit, oh. Oh. Nagkaganon na yung fit, eh. Lagkit, oh.
Ito, wag nang tanggalin to.
No.
Yan.
Stay na dyan yan. Ito lang. Ito lang, ano tatanggalin. Nag-stay na yan.
Minarkan na ba to? Boy,
Wala pa. Hindi pa namarkan yata.
ano na yung marking pen?
Ito na, may number 3 na.
Ito. Hindi naman tatanggalin yan eh. Hindi na.
Ito sa ano, doon sa...
Tatanggalin yan. Hindi lang, lalagyan lang natin yung marka.
Ay, hindi na yan. Hindi na. Balik na ito, boy.
Puta boy. Bumagsak ba to?
Hindi yan.